Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I want to show you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without the phone verification, because your accounts are linked to your existing mobile phone number, and if you want to create a new account they will ask to put your phone number in, to send you a code to verify the account in order to create it. But there is a trick how to create it without the verification, and everyone can do that. But you must have a smartphone, which I guess everyone have, because that trick is working mainly on a smartphone. So that doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, because this trick is working for both of them. So we can do that on our computer. As you can see, I tried to create the new account, and here is a button, create a new account. I'm sorry if that's in Romanian, but I'm translating to you. So I will put I don't know, my for personal use, and they're asking for my information. But once we'll reach the phone verification step, they may not let us to continue. So to proceed further from that step, we'll have to go on our smartphone to do that. So just follow my exact instructions. I created dozens of accounts using this trick, and it's working 100%. If it's not working for a reason or another, just comment down below in the comment section, leave a comment, and I'll try to figure it out to find a new way. But until now, you have my word that I created dozens of accounts and it's working. So let's just jump into it and start this process. Okay guys, I just moved on my smartphone right now. The sound is different, as you can notice, but anyway, let's move this right here. And I want to open right now the YouTube app. If you don't have the YouTube app installed, just install it. You can get that on Google Play, on either on App Store if you are on the iPhone. That being said, let's open the YouTube app. And I'm not connected to an Wi-Fi. Damn it! Let me connect to my hotspot really quick. Okay, I'm connected. Let's go back to YouTube. And now I should have internet connection. Yes, I do. So you may be right now connected to your account, which you have right now, to an existing account. Let's press on our profile picture, which is in the top right corner. And I love the fact that I have English on my phone, so that will be much easier for you. Right now, let's press on the arrow from the top right. And now I should see all my accounts that are connected, and now I should see all the accounts that I created on my smartphone. Of course, I will censor that on the YouTube because I don't want to see you guys the accounts. But anyway, you will see in the top of the screen accounts. Then there is a plus. We'll have to tap on the plus once. Come on, okay. Now it's checking info. I will have to put my fingerprint, or either if you don't have a fingerprint, you'll have to type your smartphone code. And now they are asking me to sign in into my account, but instead of signing in into an existing account, I will press on create a new account. And for myself, first name, let's choose what name? Alex. Then Popovich. It's a random name, but I'm not called Alex Popovich. Anyway, let's press on connect right now. Basic information, let's set something totally random. August 20, year 1992. And now the gender, however, just pick one. Press on next. And they're asking you to choose an email that they personalize for you, but I want to create it by myself. So I'm pressing right now on create your own email address. Let's name it Alex. What is that? Okay, no, not uppercase, please. Okay, Alex.Popovich. Let's see if they will let us. If no, it's taken. Damn it. So Alex Popovich 1956. Next. It's working. Let me type a password. Okay, that's a totally random password. Of course, I didn't want you to see that. And now as I created the password, let's just press on next. And that should be it. Add the phone number, that's the critical step. But as you can see on a smartphone, you have to choose because between yes, I'm in, and if you press that, you'll be asked to type your phone number so they can send you a code. Furthermore, but no, just press on skip, bottom left corner. You'll have a button on a smartphone, and after you press on skip, you will see how your email looks like. Yeah, it's fine. Just press on next. Choose one of those. I will choose the first one. Some more ad personalization. Yes, you'll have to confirm this. Privacy and terms of service. However, I agree with them. Press on I agree. And at any moment, Google services. Checking information. One more time I will have to put my fingerprint. Damn it, how many times I will have to do that? And now it's weird because I'm on a sign-in page. But however, let's close this and open that again because I should see my account there. I don't know why they asked me to do all this all over again. Press on the icon and yes, my account was just created. I can see my email address, alexpopovich1956@gmail.com, and let's press on the arrow again. And now I can see that I'm logging into the email address that I just created, and I can see also my other emails, and it's a fully functional email address. I mean, let's just press on something or the song. I want to find a song. Yeah, let's press on this one. It's totally random. Press on pause. And I want to leave a comment so I can prove you it's a fully functional email address. And I will just type very nice and publish that. Let's see. Comment added. Very nice. Tap your photo to access your new channel. Okay guys, as you can see, it's a fully functional email address. I don't see a reason why this shouldn't work because I use that a lot of times, as I told you in the past. But if for a reason or another it's not working, just leave a comment down in the comment section. Also, if this worked for you, don't forget to leave a comment. I'm very curious. Now I want to thank you a lot for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if I help you. And I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can possibly have. Have a nice day.